Prime Day is here, and it's the perfect time to score incredible deals on top smartphones. Whether you're a die-hard Apple fan or an Android enthusiast, this year's sales have something for everyone. From flagship models with cutting-edge technology to budget-friendly options packed with features, the deals are varied and impressive. Amazon, Verizon, and Boost Infinite are offering remarkable discounts and exclusive bundles that make upgrading your phone more accessible than ever. In this review, we highlight the best Prime Day phone deals, focusing on significant price drops and valuable extras. Whether you're looking for the latest iPhone, a high-experience Android device, or a versatile budget option, we've rounded up the top choices to help you make the most of these limited-time offers. Dive into our picks to find your perfect phone at an unbeatable price. All product links are provided in the description. Number 7. Free iPhone SE with Verizon. Save $429. Verizon offers an exceptional deal on the iPhone SE, making it a must-have for budget-conscious consumers. New and existing members can get the iPhone SE for free when opening a new unlimited line, which is a savings of $429. The iPhone SE features a compact and familiar design with a 4.7-inch Retina HD display, ensuring a crisp and clear viewing experience. The 12MP rear camera captures high-quality photos and 4K videos, while the 7MP front camera is perfect for selfies and FaceTime calls. Number 6. iPhone 15 with Boost Infinite for just 1 cent. Amazon's offer on the iPhone 15 through Boost Infinite is a game-changer, allowing you to get this flagship phone for just 1 cent when you sign up for the Boost Infinite plan. For $60 per month, you get unlimited talk, text, and data, making it a great deal for heavy users. Boost Infinite is designed specifically for iPhone users, offering the added benefit of upgrading to the latest iPhone model after 12 consecutive monthly payments at no extra cost. There is no trade-in condition, so you can keep your current iPhone or sell it independently. With its advanced features, seamless iOS integration, and this unbeatable deal, the iPhone 15 with Boost Infinite is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade to a new iPhone without a hefty upfront cost. Number 5. Moto G Stylus 5G was $399, now $249. The Moto G Stylus 5G is an excellent choice for those who appreciate the convenience of a built-in stylus. Available for $249 on Amazon, down from $399. This phone offers great value. It features a 6.8-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and responsive experience, perfect for browsing, drawing, or taking notes. The built-in stylus is ideal for jotting down quick notes, sketching, or navigating the phone with precision. Powered by a robust processor, the Moto G Stylus 5G comes with ample RAM and storage to handle everyday tasks effortlessly. The long-lasting battery ensures you can go through your day without constantly needing to recharge. The camera system is versatile, capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The phone's stylish design and practical features, such as the built-in stylus, adds a unique element of functionality. This device is ideal for those who need a reliable phone for both work and play, especially at this discounted price. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A35 Plus Buds FE was $499, now $479. The Samsung Galaxy A35 is an excellent budget-friendly smartphone that offers impressive features at an affordable price. It boasts a 6.6-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and smooth experience, making it ideal for watching videos, gaming, or browsing. The phone is powered by the Exynos 1380 CPU, along with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Its camera system includes a versatile setup that excels in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for capturing your moments. In addition to the phone, this deal includes the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. These earbuds feature active noise cancellation, IPX2, rated water resistance, and up to 8.5 hours of listening time on a single charge. Number 3. Google Pixel 8 Pro was $999, now $749. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is a premium smartphone that delivers exceptional experience and cutting-edge features. Available for $749 on Amazon, down from its original price of $999. This phone offers great value. It features a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals, perfect for streaming, gaming, or browsing. The Pixel 8 Pro is powered by Google's latest Tensor G3 processor, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, providing robust experience and ample space for your apps and media. The camera system is one of the standout features of the Pixel 8 Pro, featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultrawide lens, and a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This setup offers incredible versatility and high-quality photos in various conditions. The 10.5MP front camera is excellent for selfies and video calls. The Pixel 8 Pro's AI advancements, including a smarter, more human-sounding Google Assistant, is remarkable and enhances the user experience. This deal offers substantial savings on a device that excels in experience, camera quality, and AI capabilities, making it a top choice for smartphone enthusiasts. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra was $1,299, now $1,199. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a flagship device that redefines smartphone experience and capabilities. Priced at $1,199 on Amazon, down from $1,299, it offers a substantial saving on one of the market's most powerful phones. It features a 6.8-inch AMOLED QHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals and smooth experience, ideal for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, ensuring top-notch experience for any task. The camera system is a highlight, featuring a 200MP main camera, a 12MP ultrawide lens, a 50MP 5x telephoto lens, and a 10MP 3x telephoto lens. This setup allows for detailed and versatile photography, making it one of the best camera phones available. The 12MP front camera is perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. Its long battery life, exceptional screen brightness, and advanced AI capabilities are mind-blowing, enhancing the user experience. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is perfect for those seeking a premium device with unmatched experience and features. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 was $319.99, now $1,899 plus a free $300 Amazon gift card. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a revolutionary foldable smartphone that offers a unique blend of innovation and functionality. Priced at $1,899 on Amazon, it includes a free $300 Amazon gift card and a storage upgrade from 256GB to 512GB when you pre-order, adding significant value to this premium device. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a 7.6-inch OLED main display and a 6.3-inch OLED cover display, both with a 120Hz refresh rate. This dual display setup provides a versatile and immersive user experience, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU and 12GB of RAM, ensuring powerful experience and smooth multitasking. The camera system includes a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens, making it capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. For selfies, it offers a 10MP outer lens and a 4MP inner lens. Its impressive AI capabilities and durable design make it a standout in the foldable phone market. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe for more deals.